How to see Messenger password. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open an app that says password. If you don't have this password app in your mobile device, you want to make sure your mobile device is updated to iOS 18. So once it is updated, you're going to see this password app on your mobile device. So go ahead and open it up. So once you open it up, you want to go ahead and tap on all. And you'll find all of the saved password inside here. So in the search bar, go ahead and search for Messenger. And just like that, you'll then be able to find your password as well as your username. So if in case you don't see password right over here, what you can simply do is tap onto the plus icon at the bottom right corner and then add your personal details over here. So go ahead and add the name, username, and then password. And once it's done, go ahead and tap on save at the top right corner. And with that, you'll then be able to see Messenger password. Also, when you save your password and in the future, if you forgot it, you can simply visit this app and then see your password again. Well, that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.